Hello, very good morning. Welcome again. This is Soumendra Nath Singh from Mathpur High School 1064, the code of the school. Hope everything is fine. Last day I could not appear due to some reason. I was quite busy with my daily schedule. Okay, hope you have enjoyed the video of the last day on exercise of narration. Today, as you have gone through narration, I have decided to go through tense. As I told yesterday last day that I am going to turn it in a back way. That is, suddenly we need to start from tense, then we go on voice change and then narration. But I have started through narration and then I am coming on tense because I got some reply that you are facing some problem due to not knowing the narration. So today I am going to upload the total description of narration in the past, present and future format, all the examples and some exercise to test yourself. But apart from that, I would like to discuss some point. Tense क्या होता है? Tense किसी एक कार्य का सही एक समय होता है. Tense is time of a particular work when it is done or has been done or will be done. This is the format of a tense. Afterwards, what I'd like to tell you that, tense is something. Tense, in present tense, the work which is going on, that is present continuous. Actually, every day we are doing some work. That every day I am taking your class, that is present indefinite tense. Okay? But when a particular thing is happening, just I am now going through tense, it is present continuous tense. Just take as simple as daily days, our everyday's example. Okay? Everyday's work. Daily activity is present indefinite. Sun rises in the east. It sets down in the west. My father walks in the morning. Okay? We every day go to the school by bus. So these are everyday's example. Okay? Everyday's usual example. But when we are coming down to the present continuous, we have to concentrate that the particular work is going on. यानी कि वो काम अभी चल रहा है, कास्ट এখন চলছে. We are facing some difficulties in narration, as I have learned from you. Yeah. You are now enjoying or not enjoying the class. Maybe. I am trying to make you understand tense. These all are format. Look at the format. Subject plus am or is or are plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. This is the present perfect continuous tenses format. But when you come to the present indefinite, let me explain you like this. In present indefinite tense, there must be a subject at the beginning plus main verb 1, यानी verb का पहला form होगा. उसमें s और es लगेगा. Main verb 1 plus s or es plus object plus rest. So example, my father swims in the Ganges every day. The ladies walk through this road every day around 6 a.m. Okay? My teacher usually take our class in the morning. So here we are giving everywhere there is a subject. And look at the format. After subject, there is a main verb and main verb in the first, that is present format. Main verb 1, present format. Okay? And if there is a third person singular number, he or she or a person's name. He walks in the morning. The lady runs very fast. But if the boys, if we just take a subject like boys, the boys run very fast. When it is singular, it should be s or es. But when it is plural, it should be only main verb 1. The boys run fast. Clear? Actually, today I am gonna just let you know about the present tense because it would be a clear concept. I am gonna give you every detail written. But I am gonna tell you about present tense because if you are gonna get everything in a complete way as if it had been done with the narration. So it will be hodgepodge. So I'll take you to present tense, then past and then future. Actually the format is we need to understand the past, then present and future because it is the format, because if there is no past the present would have not been here, and if there is no present, future is not possible to be appearing, right? So I was there. Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense means a daily continuous a work that goes on every day. Every day's activity is present indefinite. But in present continuous, the work is going on now. We are now reading tense. They are attending online classes. Right? In present perfect tense, that is what? A work which has been done a few times or a few moments ago in present. The formation is subject plus has or have plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. If you are going through this format, you can easily realize how it is so smoother for you. Just you need to concentrate. Subject plus has or have plus main verb 3 plus object plus rest. Main verb 3 means verbs past participle form. Do, did, done. I have done. I have completed my online classes. This is an example. Sita has finished her daily works. Today we have visited a church. Okay. Few hours ago, a man has came to my father to discuss about COVID-19 outbreak in our area. So these are examples, very simple. Where there is a subject singular, you have to use has. In the case of plural, you have to use have. If there is I, you need to use have. Mind it. I always takes have. But singular subject must take has. Plural will take have. Clear? That is present perfect. But in present perfect continuous tense, what it would be? Present perfect continuous tense, subject plus has or have plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus rest. Means a work which is started in the present but still it is going on. That is called present perfect continuous tense. There are a lot of examples. There is some confusion with the tense. I know you will feel it same. We have been living in this city for 10 years. Though it has started 10 years ago, but the work is still going on. It is present perfect continuous. Mind it. I have been attending the class for last 30 minutes. We have been attending the class since 8 o'clock. So, when the time is perfect, you have to use since. When the time is not perfect, you have to use for. Mind it. Present perfect continuous tense, subject plus has or have plus been plus main verb 1 plus ing plus object plus rest. Clear? This is the format. Very easy. I just like to suggest you go through the present tense. Next day I am going to describe you past tense and the other day future tense. Take care of this. Read this and narration. Go through the narrations, the problem I have given you. You will be, I think there will be no problem for you. But apart from that, if you are facing any problem, just let me know through the comment box. And I'm eagerly waiting for your comments. Take care. Goodbye. Meeting you soon.